What is going on with ImmutableX? I tell you what's going on.
Big whales are playing games.
This massive rally over here we can track back to Upbit, a Korean exchange. 35% of trading volume is on Upbit. Whales are moving tokens from Kraken to Coinbase. We suddenly have a wallet holding 18 million worth of the token. All of those IMX accumulated today. And so is there something going on that we should be aware of? Is IMX in the end a long-term good investment? ImmutableX had two big games that succeeded to a degree. We had Illuvium on one side and we've got Gods Unchained. Now here's the search interest for Illuvium over time. Here's the search interest for Gods Unchained. Here is the total value locked development of ImmutableX. And compared to what you're gonna see, this is still quite okay. Things get really ugly once we look at the supply expansion. This is how the supply of IMX will grow over time. It's an expansion of roughly 36% just in the next 12 months. 36% doesn't look that bad if we've got a thriving ecosystem with new games being developed. The problem though is token control. More than 30% of all the IMX tokens are in an unlocked treasury. Another 21% are in a locked treasury and another 20% are in a development treasury. 5% roughly had been bridged to the layer 2. All of those tokens are not in your control. This market cap here of more than 800 million is completely fake because of all of those treasury tokens. Make a guess. How much money does it need to dump the price, say 10%? How many IMX tokens would you need to sell? If you don't use the opaque centralized exchanges, you just use DeFi, you only need $100,000 to get slippage of roughly 4%, thus moving the price by 8%. Slippage is always the average price for what you can buy or sell the token for. You move the price by double of that. With all of those ugly unlocks and the terrible concentration of token ownership, it is no surprise whatsoever to me that IMX long-term measured in Ethereum tends to underperform despite this recent rally. In the last roughly 20 months, IMX underperformed Ethereum by more than 60%. And when you get into an altcoin that's more risky than just buying Ethereum or Bitcoin, then you should be expecting outperformance, right? You take on more risk, you should get more performance. That's not what we see with IMX. Don't fall victim for bad investments. Join our Telegram instead. Link is down below.